have our Himalayan ready from Shiliguri. This time we have traveled by train till NJP, and from there we have decided to take this bike on rent. You see, Bike Zone is the place from where we have rented our bike. The cost per day without fuel would be around something 1000 to 1500. It depends from bike to bike. Yeah, we are all set to get started. So I want to show you how we have packed things up this time. So we have basically put our shuttle bags. We have kept the shuttle bags ready as it should be to just put it on the bike, and then also we have put our shuttle bag in the suitcases so that it's easy to travel in train. Otherwise we had to carry multiple luggages, so we packed everything up, put them in the suitcases, and then we started off. So basically we have stopped here for quick breakfast, and this is what we are having. So we are having puri, sabji, and a lot of sabji I see, omelette, and here he is busy eating. And here we have our bike standing. Is around 150 to 160 kilometers from NJP, and we are taking the route via Dentam, which would take around 5 to 6 hours. This is a beautiful place in West Sikkim, very close to Nepal border. And interestingly, there are quite a number of treks that starts from Uttare, or it goes via Uttare, like the Shingalila trek, or the Goechila trek, or the Zongri trek. There are quite a number of homestays and hotels now in Uttare, and you will find a lot of people who organizes these treks right from Uttare. Our first stop today would be Shinshur Bridge. This is one of the highest suspension bridge in entire Sikkim, and one of the second highest suspension bridge in entire Asia. So yeah, that would be our first stop, and then very close to Shinshur Bridge is our homestay, or the Uttare village, which is just 3 to 4 kilometers. Right now we are at the Shinshore Bridge, quite a famous bridge towards Uttare. So if you are coming to Uttare, you have to come via this Shinshore bridge. It's already quite late and we will quickly have lunch here. At the entrance we saw there are few places where you can grab quick momo or something, and then we will start again. Currently we are at Shinshore Bridge and we have stopped for late lunch. So our homestay, we have called there, they told us it's quite late and they won't be able to provide us lunch. So we have stopped at Shinshore Bridge, and from here our homestay would be another 15-20 minutes, not more than that. So here we are, and I will show you something very interesting, which is some kind of one of the best Sikkim's local wine. I'll try to show it. You see this? So this is Sikkim's top homemade wine. So they have it hot. It's bamboo wine. You can see it's you can see the smoke coming up. It's amazing. So good morning again. This is our homestay at Uttare where we are staying. This place is Sikkim Sherpa Homestay and it's just at Uttare. We have reached here yesterday in the evening, so couldn't show you much. So this is the room that we have got. So decent bed and basic things that are necessary. And I would like to show you from this is the glass window. This wall is entire a glass window. This is the view that we get. I'll take you outside also. And they have ample amount of flowers potted everywhere in every nooks and corners. So yeah, quite a nice place. See here. And today we will be leaving for Pelling. We will do a little bit of sightseeing around Pelling and then stay at Pelling today. So it's all unplanned and we are making all plannings on the way. We have a basic structure where we want to visit like Uttare, Pelling and Ravangla, but then things also depends on how far you can get in this weather. So ideally we don't book all the places ahead of time, except for one or two which we think we might not get, but others wherever we think that it's easy to get a homestay or hotel, like in Pelling or Uttare. So yeah, that's fine. It's absolutely fine. Around 10 a.m. in the morning and we are leaving Uttare. Beautiful place, beautiful experience. Today we will be heading towards Pelling and on the way few sightseeings, few stopovers. We will again cross the Shinshore Bridge which is coming up right ahead.